Assalamualaikum students. Today we are starting again the past paper questions of differentiation. We have done up to question number 6 in the last class, and now question number 7. Variable x and y are such that this and this these are connected. Find the value of dy over dx. अब आप देखिए इसमें हम u into v का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. So in this, what is u? U is x minus 3. And what is v? V is ln 2x squared plus 1. U dash is 1. V dash is 2x squared plus 1. और ऊपर क्या रहेगा? 4x. Derivative of the denominator. So now, y dash will be u, the derivative of v, plus v, the derivative of u, it is 1. So finally, it will be 4x, x minus 3 over 2x squared plus 1 plus ln 2x squared plus 1. Now we have to calculate the value of derivative when x is 2. So when x is 2, it will be 4 to the 8 over 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 plus ln 9. Find the value of dy over dx. So we can also calculate in the decimal. So what is the value in decimal? The final answer is 0.08. So now, after that, in the second part, hence find the approximate change in y when x changes from 2 to 2.03. Approximate change in y. It means we have to calculate del y. What is x1? x1 is 2. What is x2? x2 is 2.03. So, what is del x? It is x2 minus x1, which is equals to 0.03. As we know that del y over del x equals to dy over dx. So del y equals to dy over dx. And what is dy over dx? We have to calculate dy over dx at x equals to 2. x1 के ऊपर dy over dx हम calculate कर लेंगे, जो कि हमने previously calculate किया 3.08. 3.08 multiply by what is del x? It is 0.03. So what is the result? 0.0924. This is the final answer. Hopefully the question is clear, right? Now, after that, question number 8, what we have in this question number 8, find the equation of the normal to the curve at point this. We have to calculate the equation of normal to the curve. So, first, differentiate the curve. So, dy over dx, it will be 5 tan x means, what is the derivative of tan x? Sec square x. And minus 3 is 0. So can I say that it is 5 over cos square of x? Now, what is this? This is the gradient of tangent. This is the gradient of tangent. So calculate the value of cos pi by 4 whole square. Yes, what is the answer? Calculator in radians. 5, right? So now gradient of tangent is this. So what is the gradient of normal? Gradient of normal is -1/5. And the coordinates are x coordinate is pi by 4. And if we substitute x coordinate in the equation, y equals to 5 tan pi by 4 minus 3. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So the coordinate are pi by 4 and 2. Now by using y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1, we'll get the final result. Cross multiply 5y minus 10 equals to minus x plus pi by 4. And the answer is 5y equals to minus x plus 10 plus pi by 4. This is the equation of tangent. Is this clear? A question of 5 marks, not a difficult question, right? Now, next question. What we have in this show that differentiation of this can be written in this. Okay. So now again, in this u equals to e power 3x and v equals to under root 4x plus 1. So du over dx or the u dash is 3 e power 3x and v dash is upon twice the question 4x plus 1 and derivative of this 4x plus 1 is 4. So the final answer is 2 over under root 4x plus 1. Now, y dash will be u, the derivative of v, plus v, the derivative of u, 3 e power 3x. So it will be 2 e power 3x upon under root 4x plus 1 plus 3 e power 3x under root 4x plus 1. After that, we have to take LCM. So it will be under root 4x plus 1. Here it is 2 e power 3x plus 3 e power 3x. Under root 4x plus 1, under root 4x plus 1 will give us 4x plus 1. Right? So after that, e power 3x common. E power 3x common. In the bracket, we have 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4, 12x, and 3 plus 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Are you clear? Divided by under root 4x plus 1. So what is e power 3x? In the bracket, we have 12x plus 5 divided by under root 4x plus 1. So this is the result. What is the value of P? The value of P is 12 and the value of Q is 5. Now, question number 10. A diagram is given. The diagram shows a badge made of thin sheet metal consisting of two semicircular pieces, centers B and C. Okay. B is the center of the above semicircle, C is the center of the below semicircle. Radius is X. They are attached to each other by a rectangular piece of thin sheet ABCD. Right, given that the area of the badge is 20, show that the perimeter of the badge is given by this. So how can we calculate the perimeter? The perimeter is first, let's say this is we have two semicircles for the perimeter. Let's say A dash, A double dash. This is the first semicircle. D, D dash, D double dash. Right? So it means for perimeter, we have to calculate A dash, A double dash, a curve, plus D, D dash, D double dash, another curve, plus AD, a straight line, plus BC, a straight line, plus BA double dash, plus CD double dash. These are the things which we have to add in the perimeter, right? So now, for the semicircle, perimeter will be 2 pi r divided by 2. It is pi r, but we have two semicircles. So 2 pi r divided by 2 is pi r for the first. 2 pi r divided by 2 is pi r for the second curve. Plus what is AD? AD is y. What is BC? BC is also y. What is BA double dash? It is x. What is CD double dash? It is also x, right? And here it is pi r, 2 pi r plus 2x plus 2y. This is the perimeter, but we have to write the perimeter in terms of x only. So for this, area is given, which is 20 centimeters square. Can I say that area equals to 20, and how can we calculate area? Semicircle, a complete circle, pi r square plus area of this rectangle. Xy equals to 20. So what is the value of y from this? 20 minus pi r square divided by x. Substitute in this perimeter's equation. 2 pi r plus 2x plus 2. At the place of y, we have to write 20 minus pi r square over x. Any confusion? Hopefully, no. It will be 2 pi r plus, if I take the LCM, so it will be 2 pi r plus 2 pi r x plus 2x square plus 40 minus 2 pi r square divided by x. Any confusion up to this? Hopefully, no. Now, in this, what is this r? What is this r? This r is basically the radius, which is x. So ये क्या हो गया जनाब? 2 pi x square, 2 pi x square plus 2x square minus plus 40 minus 2 pi radius की जगह फिर वही x square upon x. 2 pi x square cancel out. क्या बचा? 2x square plus 40 upon x. LCM break कर दें तो which is 2x plus 40 upon x. This is the result of perimeter which we have to prove. आ रही बात समझ? Now, after this, what we have in the next step, given that x can vary, find the minimum value of perimeter. Justifying this value is minimum. So what is the equation of perimeter? 2x plus 40 over x. 2x plus 40 over x. Perimeter equals to 2x plus 40 over x. It means 40x power minus. For finding out minimum and maximum value, we have to differentiate the function, right? So it will be 2 minus 40 over x square. फिर हम क्या करते हैं? Equate it with 0. So it will be 2x square minus 40 equals to 0. And what is x square? X square equals to 20. And what is the value of x? The value of x is under root 20. Now, find the minimum value of p. So calculate the value of p. What is p? P is 2x plus 40 over x So what is the value of P? The value of P is 2 under root 20 plus 40 over under root 20. And what is the answer? 9.83, and we also have to justify that it is the minimum value. For justification, what is P dash? P dash is 2 minus 40x power minus 2. We have to take a second derivative of this. So here it will be 80 over x cube. Substitute the value of x in this. The value of x is under root 20. So 80 over under root 20 whole cube, it is a positive answer. If it is a positive answer, then it means it is the minimum value which we have to justify. That yes, it is the minimum. Are you clear? That's great. And these are the all questions from the past chapter of differentiation. Inshallah, in the next class, we are going to start the topic of integration.